this one right here. We will be learning, reading and writing, social studies, science and math too. We will work in groups and stick together, and we will make it through. Hey, third grade, it's a new school year. We will work hard, look forward to seeing you. There are 9 of us, great teachers. That's the way we all became the third grade bunch. The third grade bunch. The third grade bunch. Together we made